Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Fenya and I am the founder of Guidance to Glow Skincare. Now in this video, it's going to be a little bit different. I want to talk to you guys about my products and specifically Copper Complex Peptide, one of the most popular serums I own. Now before we get started, you guys know the drill, like and subscribe. That way you guys don't miss on any education and product knowledge. And let's get started. All right, guys, so here is the Copper Complex Peptide. This is the most famous serum I own. So let's talk about the copper, what it is, what skin type can use it, and how to use it. So Copper Complex Peptide has hyaluronic acid, copper minerals, which is great for anti-aging, and a little itty bitty of caviar in there. Now, what does Copper Complex Peptide do to the skin? You will literally see your skin more plump, more youthful, smoother, glowing skin. It is not an exfoliant. It just helps to give that skin more nourished, vibrant, hydrated look. So Copper Complex comes in two sizes. You have the 1.0, which is what you see now, and we also have a travel size, which is 0.5 ounce. So if you've never used this product, I would highly suggest trying the travel size first to make sure your skin does amazing with it, and then you can go ahead and use the regular size. Now, this product, it is a liquid formulation and it is a water-based formulation. So the way it looks like this. It is super liquidy, and what I would suggest is you would apply maybe 4 to 5 drops in the palm of your hand, rub quickly, and get an even amount on both hands and apply it all over to the skin. So what I would not suggest is taking the dropper and applying it directly onto the skin because you don't want to cross-contaminate, and it's just better with the hands because you have more control over where you can spread it evenly. So what skin type could actually benefit from the Copper Complex Peptide? I literally say almost every skin type can. If you're oily, this will be amazing for you because it will help balance your oil production, slow it down, and help control your oil production. If you have fine lines and wrinkles, you can use this product. It will help plump up the skin, give volume to your skin, help diminish the fine lines and wrinkles. And if you're dry, super dry or just dry, this will help give you that moisture and hydration without feeling greasy or sticky in the skin. Copper Complex could be used twice a day and all year round. If you choose to use it once a day, I would prefer using it in the morning time. But me personally, I use it morning and night. So why did I come up with my own skincare line? Truth be told, I am so tired of these freaking companies that are producing products that they have no idea about skincare. They've never been an esthetician or a dermatologist. They don't know about skin, and all they care about is money. They want to mass produce and just sell, sell, sell. The quality of the products suck. There's not enough nutrients in there and filled with crap and toxins and alcohol. And I'm just so tired of using these products that don't work. So I came up with my own skincare line because I wanted to feel comfortable using it on myself and being able to recommend it to my clients. All right, guys, hopefully this video was helpful and educational. If you guys have any questions, comment down below and I would be happy to help. I will catch you on my next video. Talk to you guys soon. Bye.